Hi, Al here with a quick summary of changes in version 0.8.0 of my Google Meet attendance extension. The significant change and the reason that we've bumped from 0.7 to 0.8 is that I've removed the attendance checkbox from the settings tab, which means that the default behavior is that monitoring will always happen for your Meet, so you don't have to remember to turn it on. That was seemingly an issue with the number of new users in particular. So I've by default now the extension will automatically not just take attendance, see who arrives, but also monitor how long the students participate within the Meet. Based on a number of requests from users, I've added an option to sort the names in the list by first name or by last name. And so there's a setting there. I'll show you that. The sort is performed as soon as or immediately after there is any change in the field. So if you add a name and then tab out of the field, things will get sorted automatically for you. And last but not least, I've added another setting that will allow you to create a text file backup of your class names and the associated students. And that's a just in case kind of situation that you want to have a backup of those things. Two bug fixes that were fixed in this particular version as well. One was I wasn't properly or wasn't as nicely dealing with multiple spaces and or tabs between names, between first and last name, and so that was tidied up. And then also there was a bug that a number of people reported that if you added a class and then pasted names into the class, they weren't being assigned to that class properly. And that was an oops mistake on my behalf. Sorry about that, but it's been fixed now. A quick look at the settings tab. Notice that the first check box, that monitoring attendance, is gone as discussed. And then we have the auto saves. There's the sort by first, last, or none. If you don't want your name sorted, they're already in a good order. There's also an option to back up your class list. As I mentioned, this will save a text file, which gets downloaded to your saved to your downloads directory when you click. A change that was introduced in the previous version is I've added an arbitrary upper limit in terms of the number of names in the class, and this is more of a defensive mechanism, that if there's a runaway process that starts adding names repeatedly, this will have it stop at, in this case, 256 values. You can set it to whatever you want. Like I said, it's entirely arbitrary. It just is just in case if bad things happen. And one other change that was introduced in version 0.7.11 or thereabouts is I've added this little slider bar in the address, and what it allows you to do is turn off the attendance taking for this particular Meet. So if you're going to professional development and you don't want to take attendance, or if you've got staff meetings and you don't want to take attendance, just click that little button. It will turn the option off, and then you can have the Meet without recording and having the file saved and all of that and that stuff. It will automatically re-enable the next time you start a Meet, and so you don't have to worry about remembering to turn it back on for your classes. Other than that, I hope everyone is staying safe and well. And for those of you who are back in the classroom, I hope you've gotten things off to a good start. Take care. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.